ask me some questions. So now let's start.
वह घर जा रही है.
So my first sentence is that वह घर जा रही है. In English, she is going home. She isn't going home. Is she going home? Isn't she going home?
वह पानी पी सकता है.
So my next sentence is that वह पानी पी सकता है. Into English, he can drink water. He can't drink water. Can he drink water? Can't he drink water?
मैं रो रहा हूँगा.
So my next sentence is that मैं रो रहा हूँगा. Into English, I will be weeping. I want to be weeping. Will I be weeping? Won't I be weeping?
मैं खाना खा रहा था.
So my next sentence is that मैं खाना खा रहा था. Into English, I was eating food. I wasn't eating food. Was I eating food? Wasn't I eating food?
हर्षवर्धन 2 दिनों से चश्मा पहन रहा होगा.
So my next sentence is that हर्षवर्धन 2 दिनों से चश्मा पहन रहा होगा. Into English, हर्षवर्धन will have been wearing goggles for 2 days. Harshvardhan won't have been wearing goggles for 2 days. Will Harshvardhan have been wearing goggles for 2 days? Won't Harshvardhan have been wearing goggles for 2 days?
वो खाना खा चुका है.
So my next sentence is that वह खाना खा चुका है. Into English, he has eaten food. He hasn't eaten food. He has eaten food. Hasn't eaten food.
पानी पिया जाता है.
So my next sentence is that पानी पिया जाता है. Into English, water is drunk. Water isn't drunk. Is water drunk? Isn't water drunk?
पानी पिया जाएगा.
So my next sentence is that पानी पिया जाएगा. Into English, water will be drunk. Water won't be drunk. Will water be drunk? Won't water be drunk?
मेरे पास एक पेन है.
So my next sentence is that मेरे पास एक पेन है. Into English, I have a pen. I don't have a pen. Do I have a pen? Don't I have a pen?
वो क्यों नहा रहा है?
So my next sentence is that वह क्यों नहा रहा है. Into English, why is he bathing? Why isn't he bathing?
आप स्कूल में हो सकते हो.
So my next sentence is that आप स्कूल में हो सकते हो. Into English, you can be at school. You can't be at school. Can you be at school? Can't you be at school? Thank you so much.
Hello dear friends, a warm to you all, and this is Kritika Upadhyay. Today I am here before you and my all friends. You can ask me sentences.
मैं घर जाऊंगा.
I will. So my first sentence is that मैं घर जाऊंगा. I will go home. I want to go home. Will I go home? Won't I go home?
मैं दिल्ली से होकर आया हूँ.
So my next sentence is that मैं दिल्ली से होकर आया हूँ. I have been to Delhi. I haven't been to Delhi. Have I been to Delhi? Haven't I been to Delhi?
मेरे पास एक पेन हो सकता है.
So my next sentence is that मेरे पास एक पेन हो सकता है. Into English, I can have a pen. I can't have a pen. Can I have a pen? Can't I have a pen?
मैं खाना खा रहा हूँगा.
So my next sentence is that मैं खाना खा रहा हूँगा. I will be eating food. I won't be eating food. Will I be eating food? Won't I be eating food?
वह खाना क्यों खाएगा?
So my next sentence is that वह खाना क्यों खाएगा. Why will he eat food? Why won't he eat food? So my next sentence is that
मैं कल घर जा रहा था.
So my next sentence is that मैं कल घर जा रहा था. Into English, I was going home. I wasn't going home. Was I going home? Wasn't I going home?
मैं सो रहा हूँ.
So my next sentence is that मैं सो रहा हूँ. Into English, I am sleeping. I am not sleeping. Am I sleeping? Anti sleeping.
क्या आप घर जा रहे हो?
So my next sentence is that क्या आप घर जा रहे हो? Into English, are you going home? Aren't you going home?
आप घर जा सकते हो.
My next sentence is that आप घर जा सकते हो. You can go home. You can't go home. Can you go home? Can't you go home?
आजकल आप कहाँ रहते हो?
So my next sentence is that आजकल आप कहाँ रहते हो? Nowadays, where do you live? Nowadays, where do you not live?
क्या आप उसे जानते हो?
So my next sentence is that क्या आप उसे जानते हो? Into English, do you know him? Don't you know him?
मेरे पास एक पेन हो सकता है.
So my next sentence is that मेरे पास एक पेन हो सकता है. I can have a pen. I can't have a pen. Can I have a pen? Can't I have a pen?
मैं मॉल में जा रहा हूँ.
So my next sentence is that मैं मॉल में जा रहा हूँगा. Into English, I will be going to mall. I want to be going to mall. Will I be going to mall? Won't I be going to mall?
अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है.
So my next sentence is that अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है. English is spoken. English isn't spoken. Is English spoken? Isn't English spoken? Thank you so much.